All right. Good morning, friends. Now it's a perfect time for big fish. It's summer, June, just 30 degrees Celsius during the day, and of course fish doesn't cooperate absolutely in the hot weather. So now it's 5 o'clock a.m. early morning. It's the perfect time to catch a big chub. I will use today only one lure for fishing, and I will show you later which lure I'm talking about. So let's start. So this part of the river looks amazing because it's quite deep. On the other hand, there are lots of riffles and of course some bigger fish waiting for me in those riffles. So now just in early morning, big fish is hunting for smaller fish. It's a good time to catch them, and in this way I will use a small plug like this from Rapala. This is one of my favorite. So it looks like I should move upstream. Okay. I saw some fish rising just right there. I think we're talking about the big chub. So in this spot. So let's try to catch them. You see, after the flood, the tree is full of garbage. All is really high, the water level. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, it's just a first fish, not big one, but for the beginning, it's good. Oh, oof. Oh, this is the fish. What's happened? Ah, okay. Okay. Oof. Beautiful. One more chub. Beautiful fish. Okay. Okay. This chub is much better. Not 5 or 6 pounds, but at least this maybe 1.5 pounds. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, wow. Wow. I have no words to say. Wow. Wow. Wow, it's a big trout. It's a big trout. It's a huge, it's a monster trout. Look at that. Oh, oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a huge, huge brown trout. Look at that. This is a real monster. Look at that. So guys, this is my biggest trout I ever caught. I mean, biggest brown trout. This is my biggest trout I ever caught. It's unbelievable. Huge fish. Huge fish. It'll be okay. It will be okay with you, boy. Thank you for a great fight, for a huge surprise. Thank you, thank you. And stay alive for a long time. He'll be okay. He'll be okay. So guys, it's just now 7 o'clock in the morning. I think it's more than enough. I got 6 fish, 5 chubs, and amazing brown trout. So as I said, the biggest brown trout in my life. I know for some of you it's not the biggest trout, but for me it's a huge catch. And if you like this channel, be sure to subscribe and smash this like button. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide from Prague, Czech Republic, and see you soon. Bye.